Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Today we should do something fun.
Maybe we could do a mysterious magical book.
Sounds good idea. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
We are preparing pencil and eraser. The first one, we draw a rectangle. Okay. And then draw a horizontal line below, like here. Yep, like here. Okay, now we draw another horizontal line below this line, right here. Until here. Okay. And then we draw another ones. And here. You can see they're the same width, right? Here. Okay, and now we draw a half circle here, connect this line, half circle. So we draw another half circle, and from this line, connect this one. Okay, right here. And then here, the same, with this, the same, you draw another half circle, connect here. Okay, and now we connect, use the line connect here, and here connect here. So now we draw a vertical line this way. You could use ruler if you want. So I'm gonna draw from here. You could use the ruler. Let's see. Okay, here and here. Okay. And now we draw an arc, connect from here and until here. Yes, that's right. So now you could see a 3D shape book, right? You can see the shape of the 3D books right now, right? And now we add some decoration. I draw a skull in the middle of the paper, right here. Okay. First, draw a half circle here. Draw the half circle. Even good longer tiny bit. Yeah, nice. And draw 2 horizontal lines from here and here. And then we draw a trapezoid without the top. Like from here to here, okay? The trapezoid without top. And then we draw 2 eyes, the 2 circles, right? And here is the one, and here is another one. And a nose like a triangle. And then draw the tooth part below. 2 vertical line like this. Simple. And now we draw a horizontal line below, right here. Okay. And then we draw a line around the shape right here. Okay. Follow the shape right here. And then right here. And connect this horizontal line. And then here we use the vertical line, connect. And here use this line, connect. And here, right? Okay. And then we draw a line around the whole one. I like your shape. It's pretty cool.
And it looks 3D still, so that's what makes it cooler.
Okay, that. And now we draw 2 arcs at the 2 the corners of the book, and the same below. So here, so one. Here's another one. And here I'm gonna do 2 arcs. Here. Yep. And this one I'm gonna connect here. Okay. This one connect here. Here's only one, okay? So connect here. Now we draw the decoration from the left. So draw 2 curve from here, okay, and here. And then here we use a little arc, like a half circle, to connect here. And the below we draw the same one. Here, connect here. Okay, so the last part, what we should draw? The last part, we should draw a bookmark, huh?
Yeah.
So the first of all, we draw a horizontal line in the middle between this line and with this line, okay? Here. So the bookmark, I'm gonna draw here. The 2 horizontal line. No, vertical line, sorry. And then we draw the upside down V, connect 2 lines, right? Because there's a book and not impossible, only 2 pages, right? So we could add more horizontal line. Okay. Cool. So now we're starting to use marker.
Let's begin, guys.
We are done. I'm curious, what's that inside the bowl?
It looks pretty dangerous because of the skull on the front. Maybe next time we can draw a mysterious magical book that's open.
That's a good idea. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye guys. See you next time.
Bye bye.